Hey guys, Shane again. Sorry, it's been quite a while, but okay, I'm back in action again. So, 16th of February, what's that, Wednesday, just before lunch, South Africa, 10 a.m. UK. Okay, I'm going to have a quick recap about what's going on. If I look at, let's go start with Bitcoin quickly. I'm just going to show you the quick majors, just to show you the overview. Okay, so on my old charts, I still have this flat correction that we're waiting for Bitcoin to play out and carry on resuming. Now, there's my 33,000 target. It hit that perfectly. So some of us bought there and some didn't. But those who did and actually held would have been a very good trade. Um, Myself, I didn't because I was worried if it's going to be a running flat or a slightly expanded flat to 28,000 or to even 25,000. Those are my rough areas or guides where I was looking at getting entries in if it doesn't bounce from the 33. Now, how do we know? Are we finished? Are we done? I don't know. So let's have a quick look at the 4 hour. In fact, let me just find my Discord guys. Where is it? Because I think I remember. Where's it? BTC charts. Yeah, I remember in October when everyone's calling me a bear. But I will ignore that now. Okay, so there's some videos I made back then. Let me just find the chart for you. Sorry, I know it's here somewhere. Okay, so back in October, I said to you guys on the Facebook group, actually, I said to you guys, please watch out for the scenario. The scenario we had back then when we were approaching the 66, 65 highs and everyone was shouting for the moon, 100, 200,000. I said, please, guys, this is a yellow box here. This is going to be your expanded flat, most likely to come down here for the wave C before we resume, unless it really breaks through that yellow box and continues. That never happened. It just broke the high and came down, as we all know. So perfectly played out to the 33,000. I'm still expecting we could still see 28 or 30, but let's just see what happens in the next few days. Because at the moment, if I go to my 4 hour chart, I have, okay, so remember now we've got all the way down here. We hit 33,000. Now let's see what's going on here. Now, Bitcoin has to do one of two things now. It gave us a nice move up to there. Now, it has not reached the 1618 extension that we use on Elliott Wave, which gives me an indication it's not a very nice wave 3. It's very short. If it broke it, it would be more confirmation for me. So, one of two things must happen. Right now, we've done that wave 3, we've done a beautiful ABC correction. This is my yellow arrows I always draw before the time because I just want to see where I think it's going to happen. And it played down very nicely down to there. Unfortunately, it did not quite reach 41. So the 41 CME gap on the guys who plays with futures. There's a nice gap on 41,000. So I was really hoping for it to just dip down there, close it, and then continue up. So that gap is still open down there. So there's a bit of a concern for those who trade futures. Now, if we are going to be bullish, guys, we need to break this last high, which is what, 46,000. So this wave we're working on right now needs to break that to 49, 48, 50,000, whatever. As long as it breaks 46, that'll confirm bullish. Do you buy over here? No. What you do is you wait for a nice 3-wave correction and then you buy from there. So if I just move my chart over, okay, so here we go. So something like this, you can have a nice pull back to wherever, finish wave 5, do a 3-wave correction, and then we can look at looking at long positions from below where we are now anyway, so cheaper. Now guys, I understand one thing. If we cannot break this high 46, this is only a 3-wave structure, ABC, and that'll give us a nice, so this will give us a 1, a 2, 3, 4, and a 5, a new low. And only once that new low is in, can we break higher again. And that new low, guys, is going to be either 30, 28, or even 25. But that we'll see as it plays out. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you're holding Bitcoin now, keep your stops in place. Stops should all be down here, because if this thing turns down now, it's going to go quite deep to about 28. If it breaks this high here, then bonus makes a new high to here, well, not a new high, but just a little bit higher, 3-wave correction, and then we go again. Okay, so that's what Bitcoin looks like right now. If I just go to daily again, let me just get rid of all this. It's too much information, because what you'll notice, we have our nice little impulse down, a correction, impulse down, and what I'm saying is this could just be a correction for that fourth wave, a quick dip to for wave 5, break the low down here, and then we resumed uptrend. Okay, so we'll know soon if it breaks that or not. Okay, moving on to the next one very quickly. I've got what we got? Ethereum. Ethereum as well. If you'll notice, it's done a very nice, beautiful running flat. This also was projected quite a long time ago. Hit that to the T at 23 or something it was, or 22. Now, two things that can happen now. Again, same as Bitcoin, needs to give us 5 up and then continue up. Now, if I go and zoom in on my 4-hour, unfortunately, this looks very corrective. This is not impulsive. This is not a 1, 2, 3, and then a massive 4, 5. It's actually done a very, what we call overlapping structure. If it's overlapping like that, it's very corrective. When it's corrective, it's not as strong as it should be with no volume. And that is an indication of this could very likely be the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, make a new low down here to, I don't know, 2,000 or even lower before it resumes the uptrend. So when you see something trading slightly up sideways like that, and people are shouting higher, higher low, higher high, higher low, please guys, don't listen to that crap because it doesn't work. If it's higher high, higher lows, it needs to be quite impulsive. This is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, a correction, and this could just break right down again. So when I hear these higher high, higher lows, I just cringe. Now, please be careful of this one. I'm not shorting it. I'm not buying it. I'm not doing anything at the moment. I am just waiting for this to confirm. If we break this low right now, so if this thing goes like this is going higher and breaks this, then it definitely confirms we're going to go a little bit lower again. All right. Unless this thing can pull something out of its hat and make something like this, it has to break the 3,200. That could possibly be a very funny, what we call a diagonal wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same as Bitcoin, wait for 3 back, and then we can buy again. So that's that. And then very quickly, the only thing I really feel is bullish, guys, is XRP. The only one where everything else is giving us this overlapping and looks like down move. This is the only one that's given us this very strong boost up and now gave us a correction. Now that, guys, is what we call impulsive wave. That is a perfect wave 3. So I'm in XRP, of course. So it's made a nice A, B. A lot of guys were thinking it's going to go higher. I think we shorted some of it here after this dip here. And then now we're waiting for it to come down to this box area. This is my buy box areas. So if you ever look at my charts, the boxes are, as you guys already know in the Discord channel, is where I'm looking for confluence for buy or sell signals. So I hit that perfectly at, what's that, 74 cents. And then it gave us a very nice impulse move, nice little 3-wave down. And yesterday I just sat below this channel line, and quite annoying. I really needed to break up through this quite strongly. I see now overnight it has broken up and retraced again. So let me go to 1 hour. Okay, so in the 1 hour, yeah, we can see nice impulse, nice 3-wave structure, and now it's doing this again. Really, right now, where it is now, if I look at this channel line of mine, it really has to go where it is now. It really needs to shoot up. If it doesn't, then I'll start getting worried. So if you're in the XRP bars, please make sure you got your stops in place, because although I feel that this one, if I just show you the overall view here, although I feel this is 1, 2, 3, and this is wave 4 done, and I'm hoping that this is my wave 5 starting now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to there at, I don't know, $1 or whatever. After that, you should have a nice 3-wave correction and a nice buy area again, roughly at 75 cents or wherever we were before. And that will continue to the upside. Now, if this does not break the high, same as BTC, then unfortunately this is just going to be ABC, with this is the 1 and this could be the 2. So I'm looking at 88 cents. 88 cents is should be my first target if I'm buying, but it should be A, B, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, one more low before we can go up again. So confirmation, guys, we need to break what's that, 91 cents. So once you break 91 cents, that confirms this is a wave 5. And then I've got big smiles on my face, because then it's very simple correction and then new highs. Simple as that. So for those who are not used to Elliott wave theory, you have to see 5 impulsive waves up to confirm a trend reversal, and then you can do your wait for your corrections. Could be any pattern, could be a triangle, could be a flat, and then you can go for the buy again. All right, guys, so that's all I'm going to share with you guys for now. I'll see you in the Discord channel, and I'll post more of the charts there. Okay, guys, I'll chat to you later. Thanks, bye.